Now that you have decided on your Adek aluminium decking system, it's time to install your deck. We advise that if you wish to install your own deck, you follow the installation instructions within this video and pay special attention to the gaps, spaces and tolerances indicated in this guide. This will keep your deck in top condition, ensuring performance for years to come and make sure your warranty is applicable. Although within this guide we will be installing our Comfort Grip decking range, the same process applies for our Enhanced Grip range. To ensure that your deck is installed correctly, we advise that you use the following tools. Safety glasses, hearing protection, gloves and a mask are recommended when using a circular saw, but good personal health and safety should always be observed. Deck boards and channel covers will arrive on site 100mm over length and on occasion with a powder coating hanging jig hole in this extra length. If the customer has not requested that these holes be removed via our additional service offered at the point of sale, they will either need trimming by the customer prior to fitting or be used in areas that are hidden from view, such as under end trims. The most common way to install a deck is onto existing steelwork. However, in this video we will be installing onto our Adek aluminium bearers. To start, you will need to predetermine the layout and where any cut boards are going to be situated. Decide which side of the installation you require a full board to start or end, or where a cut or rip down board will be best located. Next, plan the locations of the pedestals within the area which will be decked and lay them out on the ground at the correct centres. Place the first board down, minus the channel covers, hold securely and pre-drill through the board and the substructure. Whilst our screws do have a cutting tip, we recommend pre-drilling the boards and substructure so that any swarf can be cleared away. If you are going to be fitting onto an existing steel framework, please spray the holes with an anti-corrosion spray. Ensure that the board is in its correct position and install the screws. Clip the channel cover into position and ensure full engagement using a rubber mallet to knock the covers down into place. To meet ventilation, drainage and expansion requirements, ensure a minimum 5mm is left between each board. Place the next board down, checking it is parallel to the first, and ensure there is the required 5mm gap between them. Repeat this process for each board within the rest of the installation. Within this installation video, we are installing the universal end trims, as we are using our Comfort Grip range. However, if you are installing our Enhanced Grip range, you may wish to install the associated end plates. To complete the deck, fit the universal end trim over the exposed ends of the boards. The trim should be cut to size and fixed down using the end trim screws. One screw is required per board end and should be fixed into the centre of each board. Pre-drill using a 2.5mm drill bit to clear the swarf from the surface. A touch-up pen can be used to paint the ends of the trim where visible. End plates are fixed with the same screw, with all screw ports used to ensure a secure fit. Once the installation is complete, simply brush the boards down and remove any debris. Once each board is installed, please use suitable precautions to cover the deck whilst other works are carried out. For further information, please visit our website.